So good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Naila, and I'm from Oracle. And today I really want to focus on how can we look at digitizing our finance and what's actually holding our finance back. If you look at the finance professionals have been abreast and talking about emerging technology for quite some time. And conditions like the macroeconomic conditions are actually accelerating this year. And we need to respond much more quicker. We need to execute our business operations. However, we have disparate systems in place, and finance professionals are not really capturing that correct, sufficient amount of data and to make that decisions about your operations and your strategy. Or how about generating reports that take hours to reconcile that data, making those corrections? All of these are stumbling blocks within finance. And then you have emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and powerful driven analytics and chatbots that are embedded within your finance. But this doesn't change the science of finance. It's actually looking at the art of finance, right? And what do I mean by art of finance? It's simply taking technology and merging it with finance such that you become much more agile, and automation. It's not something that's on the side. It allows you to simplify your processes with the ultimate goal of getting things done in the shortest possible time. And we've all heard this here, right? We've heard the terms digital transformation, agile finance for several years. But it's somewhat, the finance people are actually lagging behind, and we really need to push it and to evolve this adoption of technologies. So how do we go about doing this here? If we look at our business influence today, our business influences, looking at ESG is one of the hot topics, and this is also talked about within the conference as well. This is not just merely about reporting, but it goes much broader than this here. As the saying goes, you can't really manage what you can't measure, okay? So with ESG, there's data in multiple places. There's multiple requirements. We need to continue to grow, and enterprises need solutions in place to look and aggregate and report on ESG and its sustainability. With Oracle's solution, it enables enterprises to aggregate the information, report, manage the sustainability as well as its impact. With Oracle Cloud, we can help customers collect, convert this data, aggregate the KPIs, plan it, track it against its targets, monitor it, analyze it, and report it. We also need to be digital savvy, digital intelligence, everything in finance around us. We are surrounded with data. By data, the finance team really needs to access this here, not only for finance, but also for their operational needs as well. So we're talking about enterprise-wide data to predict the outcomes in this wave of disruption. With Oracle Analytics capabilities, we are ready to, there's already pre-built metrics and analytics and insights for finance professionals, but not only finance professionals, we're looking at procurement teams as well. And the bottom line is that we need to improve our working capital and keep a control on our expenditure. Oracle's unique depth of products allows the analytics capabilities across the organization as well as different departments. Now just imagine you have data converted into information, visual-driven KPIs, insights, predictions based on past learning, all powered by machine learning. Now all these notifications, these prompts and actions to make those strategic decisions so that you may analyze your information. We also need to look at our business model. We need to be much more agile. Today, the need to act sooner and faster, to adapt more quickly in this changing business environment, this demand is out there, right? Companies often lack that alignment between the corporate and financial plans as well as the different lines of business. Now, combining that financial and operational plans and the lines of businesses improves their accuracy and makes your company much more agile. And for the first time, machine learning and predictive analytics provides us with the opportunity to integrate this real-time information, eliminating time as well as delivering prescriptive analytics. Now, we also need to modernize our back office capability and look at the traditional environment on-premise just weren't really designed to manage these complexities. That's why in today's innovative organizations, really connecting your supply chain, your finance processes, your procurement processes to unlock that value on one particular platform. And this allows you to have it integrated of cloud applications to support this continuous innovations. Now, when we look at the digital processes and the speed of innovations, we have AI-powered analytics and digital assistants to help employees. Common tasks that were mundane, that were admin driven, we're actually allowing our employees to focus more the energy on strategic activities. And common questions such as, what is my budget? What are my reconciliation today? Create an expense report. What are my approvals? That can all be driven by your digital assistants. And if you enable the employees to focus on this rather than burdening them. So, and also for finance professionals, it's difficult to see the future through the rows of columns and spreadsheets. But lacking that better forecasting tools, CFOs can look, and treasurers can still largely look at the spreadsheet data and develop forward-looking views. And therefore, we need, the spreadsheet simply doesn't cut it in today's time. They're very time-consuming. All of this here can be automated with your ERP, and predicting the future, giving you that liquidity view can help you do this here. Today, Oracle ERP provides advanced capabilities to managing liquidity, and we can say this is so exciting because you have predictive cash forecasting for our treasury teams to automate the cash accounting and reporting. And lastly, I'm just going to end off with hyperconnectivity, right? It's more about you have your processes as well as your employees connected, but what about the different aspects within the organization that you can be much more connected? So you have employees that be able to look at what can they do much more better. And so that's the last bit that I want to say about. And I urge you that the time is now. We shouldn't be lagging behind. We should actually be, we should not be chasing the tail of digital disruption. The time is for Africa right now to grab this here and move forward with new technologies that we have in place. Thank you.